dance dances.
Okay.
I'm coming back for more, bitches.
Let us go.
I'm visiting from New York and I'm looking for the best dancers. Am I in the right place?
There was music and dance for every day in Africa.
There's a lot of cultural differences. Everybody puts their own spice in the pan.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's gonna be a real mixture of different styles. A lot of shaking.
The dance is a tool to speak and address the issues you really feel need to be addressed.
Dance is not gender. There's no feminine movement or masculine movement, there is movement.
How long has this camp been here?
Since 1949.
So all these kids that we dance with today come from this area. It's pretty eye-opening.
This art form was a way for people to free themselves.
Dance comes from the soul. It's a spiritual thing.
You're feeling your emotions. You're connecting with your community. All of these things are what keep us human.
I think this is what dance does. I'm gonna keep dancing.